Good morning, everyone. My name is Teacher Carol, and I will be your English teacher for today. This is Consirizart English Online Class. To start, I want you all to prepare your family and friends to class book, as well as your yellow book, pencil, and eraser. With today's video, we will be covering from pages from 8 to 10. We will be learning Unit 1. That is, our new things. Can you repeat it and say, our new things? We will be also learning about grammar. That is, demonstrative pronoun. We have here 4 demonstrative pronoun, which is this, that, these, and those. So, shall we start? Okay. We will be learning here some vocabulary words relating to our lesson. Let's name each. As you can see, I have here 3 objects. Okay, let's name. First we have classroom. Your turn and say classroom. Next we have table. Table. And third we have computer. Computer. Okay, I have here 3 more vocabulary words. Next is peg. Peg. And then we have here pencil case. Your turn. Say pencil case. And lastly, we have here board. Your turn. Say board. You can also say whiteboard. It's okay, they are the same. Board or whiteboard are the same. Now let us review all the vocabulary words. Okay, classroom, table, computer, peg, pencil case, and board. Okay, let's try it one more time. Say classroom, table, computer, peg, pencil case, and board. Now, next is conversation time. Okay, conversation is when 2 or more people are talking to each other. Okay, now we will doing this 2 times. First, I'll be reading it and you will repeat after. The second time, we will be reading it all together. So are you ready? Okay, now let's start. Remember, teacher will read first and you repeat. Okay. Look at the classroom. These are your new tables and chairs. Those are your new pegs. Your turn. Animal pegs. That is our new whiteboard. Your turn. And this is our new computer. Look. Wow. Do you like our new things? Yes, we do. And is this a new teddy, Rosie? No. Okay, next. This is my new pencil case. Look, new pencils and pens. Okay, now let's do it again. Okay, let's do it again one more time. Okay, this time we will be doing it all together. So read with teacher. Okay? Okay, let's start. Look at the classroom. These are your new tables and chairs. Those are your new pegs. Animal pegs. This is our new whiteboard. And this is the new computer. Look! Wow! Do you like our new things? Yes, we do. And is this a new teddy, Rosie? No. This is my new pencil case. Look, new pencil and pens. Okay, did you follow? Okay, now let's move on to our next lesson. With this time, we will be learning about grammar. Can you say it again? Say grammar. Okay, for grammar, we will be learning about demonstrative pronouns. Okay, again, demonstrative pronouns. Today, we have here 4 demonstrative pronouns. First, we have this. This. Next, we have that. That. Next, we have these. These. And lastly, we have here those. Those. Okay, we have this, that, these, and those. Again, everybody say this, that, these, and those. Okay, now let's move on. We will be learning when to use those demonstrative pronouns. Okay, look at the picture. The boy is holding the... What is it? Isn't it a ruler? Well, I don't think so. This is a pencil. Okay. First, we will be discussing about this. When to use the demonstrative pronoun this. This is used when the object is near you. When we say near, just like the picture, the boy is holding. Okay, which means the pencil is near to the boy, or the boy is near to the pencil. Okay, shall we read it again? This is used when the object is near you. Remember, near you. And then one more thing. It should be singular. What's the meaning again of singular? Is it 1 or 2? What do you think? Okay, singular means only one. Okay? One only. Example. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. Your turn. Let's all read. This is a pencil. Okay. Next, we have here another picture. Okay, next picture. We have here a helicopter. And there is a boy pointing to the helicopter. Now, what pronoun will be used with this picture? Okay, we will be using that. Can you say it again? Say that. Okay, that is used when the object is far from you. Again, that is used when the object is far from you. Now remember, we will use that if it is singular. Singular, which means only one. Now let's read the sentence. That is a helicopter. That is a helicopter. Now your turn. Okay. Now let's see the picture first. What can you see in the picture? Again, can you say it again? What can you see in the picture? Oh, it's a girl holding flowers. Okay. Now, this time, the pronoun here is these. Can you say these? These is used when the objects are near you. These is used when the objects are near you. Okay, can you see the word there, objects? Now this time, the word has S. So, these is used for plural. Can you say it again? Plural. Okay, plural used when the object is two or more. Two or more. As you can see in the picture, the girl is holding the flowers. So how many flowers are there? Okay, there are 3 flowers, which means it's plural, 2 or more. Now let's read again the definition together with teacher. Okay? These is used when the objects are near you. Okay, let's read the sentence. These are flowers. These are flowers. Your turn. Okay, the fourth and last pronoun. Okay, look at the picture. Okay, and okay, as you can see, we have here in the picture, we have here trees and the boy pointing out the trees. Now, what will be the pronoun to be used here? Okay, now for this picture, for this time, the pronoun is those. Those. Those is used when the objects are far from you. Those is used when the object is far from you. Now remember, using those only with plural or plural. Plural, which means 2 or more. 2 or more. Now let's read the sentence. Those are trees. Those are trees. Now your turn. Okay, good. Now let's move on to our next slide. Now this time, you will be choosing what's the answer. Okay, now look at the picture. That is Miss Jones. Okay, look at the picture. What is she holding? And what pronoun to be used? Is it this or that? This or that? What do you think is the answer? Okay, let's find out. The answer is this. Okay, if your answer is this, okay, good job. Now, with sentences, we have here 2 sentences. This is a new computer. The other is, this is a new board. Which sentence is correct? Is it new computer or new board? Isn't it this is a new computer or this is a new board? What is your answer? Okay, let's find out. The answer is this is a new computer. Okay, next, another picture. Miss Jones is pointing at something. Okay, what pronouns to be used? Is it this or that? This or that? What's your answer? Okay, let's find out. The answer is that. Okay, remember using that when the object is far from you. Okay, far from you. Now for sentences, I have here, that is a new computer. Next we have, this is a new board. What do you think is the answer? Isn't it the first sentence or the second sentence? Can you say it again? Okay, now let's find the answer. The answer is, that is a new board. Who got it correct? Okay, now let's move on to our next picture. Now this time, Miss Jones is holding something. Okay, what pronouns to be used? Is it these or those? These or those? Okay, the answer is these. How about the sentences? We have here, these are new chairs. These are new chairs. The second sentence we have, these are new tables. These are new tables. Now look again at the picture. What do you think Miss Jones is holding? Isn't it chairs or tables? Okay, what is your answer? Okay, let's find out. The answer is, these are new tables. Now, who got it correct? Okay, for the last picture we have here, look, Miss Jones is pointing at something. What do you think is, when you do pointing, is it near to you or far from you? Now, what are pronouns to be used this time? Isn't it these or those? These or those? Okay, what would be your answer? Okay, let's find out. The answer is those. Okay, now for the sentences. We have here, those are new pegs. Those are new pegs. Second sentence, those are new pens. Those are new pens. What do you think are those? Are those pegs or pens? Okay, tell me your answer. Can you repeat? Okay, let's see the correct answer. Now the answer is, those are new pegs. Did you have the correct answer? Okay, now let's move on. This time we will be learning more vocabulary words. Now earlier we have 6 words. Now we have more words to learn. Okay, we have here first, look at the picture. Can you say poster? Poster. Okay, another we have here, picture. Picture. Okay, we still have more. We have here 3 more objects. Okay. First object we have here, drawers. Drawers. Next we have cupboard. Cupboard. And lastly we have here CD player. CD player. Okay, let's review all the vocabulary words we have here. Poster, picture, drawers, cupboard, and CD player. One more time. Say poster, picture, drawers, cupboard, and CD player. Okay, this time we will be doing spelling bee. Okay, can you say it again? Spelling bee. For you will need to do is fill in the missing vowels. Fill in the missing vowels. Okay, who can still remember what are the 5 vowels? We have here 5 vowels. Can you say it to teacher? Okay, now let's learn about the 5 vowels. Let's see. We have here A, E, I, O, and U. One more time, we have here A, E, I, O, and U. Now for number 1, look at the picture and fill in the missing vowel. Okay, we have here T, blank, B, L, and E. Now look at the vowels. What are the missing vowels? We have here 2. Okay, you can also write this on your paper and see after if your answers are correct. Okay, you can practice by writing this on your paper. Okay, let's find out the missing vowels. First we have letter A and letter E. That makes the word table. Okay, next picture we have here. Who can still remember what is this? Okay, we have here B, blank, blank, R, and D. What do you think are the missing vowels? What do you think are the missing vowels? We have here 2 missing vowels. Okay, let's find out. The missing 2 vowels are O and A. That makes the word board. Board. Okay, third, we have here the picture. Let's see the letters. We have here D, R, blank, W, blank, R, and S. Oh, we still have here 2 missing vowels. What do you think are the 2 missing vowels? As I have said earlier, you can write this on your paper so you can practice. Okay, let's see what are the 2 missing vowels. We have here A and E. That makes the word drawers. Drawers. Okay, next we have here another picture. We have here letter P, blank, C, T, blank, R, and blank. Now this time we have here 3 missing vowels. What do you think are the 3 missing vowels? Okay, if this video is too fast for you, you can pause this video while answering. Okay, you can pause this video while answering and play it later if you were done. Now let's find out what are the 3 missing vowels. We have here I, U, and E. That makes the word picture. Can you say it again? Picture. Okay, next here we have a song, but this time we will just be reading all the words. Now, this is entitled, What's in the Classroom? What's in the classroom? Now let's read all together. What's in the classroom? What's in the classroom? Let's have a look. Posters and pictures and work in a book. What's in the classroom? What can you see? Drawers and a cupboard for you and for me. What's in the classroom? What's over there? A door and a window, a table and chair. What's in the classroom? What can you see? A board and pegs for you and for me. Okay, now let's move on to our next slide. This time we will be doing identify and read sentences. Okay, as you remember, we have learned earlier some vocabulary words. Now this time we will be identify the vocabulary words or the objects we have discussed earlier. And then after that, we will be reading each sentences. Okay. Now we have here numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay, number 1. What do you think is the picture number 1? Okay, for number 2. What do you think is the picture number 2? And number 3. What do you think is the picture number 3? Okay, this time we will be identify each object. Number 1, we have here board. Number 2, we have here computer. And number 3, we have here table. Now this time we will be reading some sentences. For number 1, it's a new board. Number 2, it's a new computer. And number 3, it's a new table. Okay, let's move on. Number 4, 5, and 6. What do you think is the picture number 4? Next we have, how about picture number 5? What is the picture in number 5? And lastly, number 6. What do you think is the picture number 6? Okay, for number 4, it's a pencil case. Number 5, it's a CD player. And number 6, it's a poster. Okay, now let's read the sentences. Number 4, it's a new pencil case. Your turn. Number 5, it's a new CD player. And number 6, it's a new poster. Okay, great. Now let's move on to our next slide. Now this time, let's recap. Okay, let's recap. What have you learned or what have you learned today with this video? Okay, now let's review. For today's video, we learn about vocabulary words, which are classroom, table, computer, peg, pencil case, board, poster, picture, drawers, cupboard, and CD player. Okay, let's read again. We have classroom, table, computer, peg, pencil case, board, poster, picture, drawers, cupboard, and CD player. Okay, we'll be also reviewing about the grammar. For grammar, we learn 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now for grammar, we learn about demonstrative pronouns. That is, we have here this, that, these, and those. This, that, these, and those. Okay, now for your homework, open your books to page 9 and answer activity number 3. Okay, this is the picture. All you have to do is complete each sentences by writing these, that, these, and those. Again, complete each sentences by writing this, that, these, and those. Okay, next, another homework. Okay, each number you see their picture. Now, write sentences about the picture. Remember, you can pause this video while writing. Okay, you can pause this video while writing and answering. Okay, I have here number 1 as an example. Look at the picture, identify a picture, and then write a sentence about it. Okay, for number 1, we have here, this is a new table. This is a new table. So you're going to do same format with number 1. You will going to write sentences from 2 to 6. Okay, same format with number 1. Okay, next we have here, this is for your another homework, which is the last one. Okay, it's a copy. Again. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, for your another homework, this would be written on your yellow book. Okay, this will be written on your yellow book. Okay, as you can see, we have here pictures from number 1 to number 6. All you need to do is identify each picture and write sentence about the picture. Okay, I'm going to show you number 1 as your example. For number 1, we have, this is a new table. This is a new table. So follow from 2 to 6, you will be writing sentences, same format with number 1. Okay? Okay, for your another homework, this will be also for your yellow book. Now this time, you will be doing, or you will be writing sentences. Okay, copy the sentences on your notebook. Now this time, I want you to write the sentences twice, 2 times, okay? Each sentences will be written twice or 2 times. Now remember, you can pause this video while answering or writing. You can pause this video while you're answering or writing. And then you can play it afterwards if you were done. Okay? Remember, write sentences on your yellow book 2 times. Okay? Now that's it for today. Hope you learned from me. See you next time. Bye-bye.